and garden. Today I'm in the kitchen with these two lovelies, and what are we making, guys?
Banana bread.
That's right, we're going to make banana bread because we've got some bananas that have gone over, haven't they? They've gone a bit black.
Yeah.
So the best thing to do with them is to make banana bread. So I've got Griff whisking up the eggs, and we're mashing the bananas, and I'm going to mix the butter with the sugar, which is called creaming. And I've set the oven to 160 degrees, so it's quite a low heat, and I'll run you through the ingredients we've got here now. These are the ingredients you will need for this recipe. You will need 140 grams of soft butter or cooking margarine, 2 eggs which will be beaten, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 140 grams of self-raising flour, 140 grams of caster sugar, 2 or 3 ripe bananas, 50 grams of icing sugar for drizzling over at the end, and a 2 pound loaf tin, which will be lined with baking parchment. So I've lined a 2 pound loaf tin with baking parchment, and I'm just doing a bit of elbow grease to mix together the butter and the sugar.
It's stirring like I'm doing it, Mum.
That's right. You're doing a grand job there, Griff. Really good.
Nearly finished it, Mum.
Yeah.
Have I nearly finished mine?
Yep, you've nearly finished too, which is just as well because I've done this creaming. So that's what the consistency will look like when you've creamed together the butter and the sugar.
Time to put the eggs in, Mum.
Yep, it's time to put the eggs in.
Is it time to put my bananas in?
Not yet, you've got to put the eggs in
Where
first.
should I put this one?
I'll just leave it there, darling.
Okay.
Ready?
Go.
Right, in you go, and you're just going to put a little bit of flour as well. That's it, keep going, keep going, keep going. There we are.
But did I do a really good job?
You did a really good job.
Now that's stirred in.
Mix all that together.
I think it was not a mushroom done, Mum.
Yeah, we then need to put in the flour, but I just need to mix this in a bit more.
With the eggs?
Yeah, that's right. So everything is incorporated.
You nearly said Mr. Incorporated.
Mr. Incorporated, I didn't, but we like that programme, don't we? Scooby-Doo, Mystery Incorporated gets watched quite a bit in this house.
Because we love it.
That's right, Griff. Okay, so now we're going to add that, the flour.
All of it.
All of it. And can you add a teaspoon? Yeah, let me of baking powder.
And tip it in.
And tip it in, yeah. And Anwen, let's go in with your bananas then.
Mum can put those in.
Shall I do it?
Yeah.
Do you want to do it with your fork?
Yeah.
Push them all in then.
That's right. Yeah.
That's great.
The plate will go in.
That's great. Every last bit. Right then, you two.
What do you
Oh,
do now, Mum?
well, I'm going to mix it all together now.
Because we had all the ingredients we needed.
We did. We've added everything we need. This is a very quick recipe, isn't it? It doesn't take long at all.
And we just have to put it in the oven
Yeah, that's right.
for it to cook.
So I'll just show you what it looks like.
Can we see what it looks like.
Bit of a sloppy mess, really, but it'll taste delicious, will it? I got look. Bit of a sloppy mess, isn't it?
Yeah.
And now we put it into our.
Oh man. Emily,
That's alright, she's helping, it's fine.
I can help with this little spoon.
Well, why didn't you use. You have this one, and I'll use the other one. Want to get every little last bit out, don't we? Okay, you two, can you stop a minute so I can get the last dregs out? Thank you.
And I'll put this spoon somewhere.
We'll just put it in one of the bowls, darling.
I'm putting this one, I'm putting it in.
Okay.
I'm putting mine in that banana we got.
Now, what did we do before we did this?
We did.
We washed our hands,
Yes.
didn't we? Because we're washing our hands quite a bit at the moment.
Because of this virus.
Because of the virus, that's right. Not either. Right, so let's go and put this in the oven.
Yeah. I will check when it's done.
Okay, you two open the oven door. So it's going to go in for 30 minutes. And then after 30 minutes, I'm going to test it with a skewer. But I'll show you that in a minute. Well, in 30 minutes. But technically it'll be more like 10 seconds. Right, let's go and do something, you two. A minute. Right, the banana bread is coming out. It's been in for 30 minutes. What do you think, Griff?
Right.
Let's do the skewer test.
Okay, I'll have.
Oh, it's come out. Clean! Which means it's done.
Rainbow's finished.
Right, let me just show.
Rainbow's finished.
So that's what it's looking like. And I'm just going to leave it in the tin to cool for about 10 minutes. And then we'll turn it out and try it.
My bit. Oh, my bits are finished, yeah?
The skewer was clean, which means it's cooked.
Mom. God, let's ready to taste it. Come on.
So here it is, guys.
That's the sharpest knife
There it is.
ever, Mom.
It's a bread knife, isn't it?
Yeah.
So I have to put your colouring away.
Can I eat some?
Right. I hope this is nice now.
That slice is for me.
This one for you. One for you. Let's give this a go.
Yummy.
Yeah? What do you think, Brev?
Lovely job.
Lovely job. It really is a lovely job. It's really nice. I recommend you give it a go. I shall I'll pop the recipe in the description down below. And I think we better get on and eat some of this, didn't we? Before Dad has any, because then there'll be none left. Oh, it's quite nice. I'll put it down there. Because we. You want another piece?
Yes, please.
Alright. We better not have too much because we've got lunch in a minute.
Okay. And all.
So that's it from us for today. Thank you very much for joining us in our kitchen, and I hope you give this a go if you've got any gone off, well not gone off, but you know, any black bananas that are no good for eating. Because no one likes a black banana, do they?
Not even me.
Not even you, and you love bananas, don't you? Yeah. So all I can say about that.
Lovely job.
Lovely job. Come on, Amen.
Lovely job.
Excellent.
Oh, thanks, Mum. Mum, I promise this is the last one.
Well, yeah, because you won't be eating your dinner otherwise. Lunch, yeah. That was a good day morning's work, wasn't it?